Poisson distribution. So probability of formula, probability of x equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. X runs over from 0, 1 to etc. So the mean value of the Poisson distribution is lambda, where lambda equal to n into p. So number of times into probability value. Variance formula is lambda. So mean and lambda values are same for Poisson distribution. Exercise 7.2, sum number 6. The mortality rate for a certain disease is 7 in 1000. What is the probability for just 2 deaths on account of this disease in a group of 400? Given e power minus 2.8 is 0.06. This value is already given in the problem. Once again read the problem. The mortality rate for a certain disease is 7 in 1000. So mortality rate can be taken as 7 in 1000 means the probability value is 7 by 1000. So 7 in 1000. So 7 by 1000. What is the probability, our aim is to compute what is the probability of just 2 deaths on account. Our aim is to compute the probability for just 2 deaths. So total number of groups can be taken as 400. So mortality solution is the mortality of rate of the certain disease is 7 by 1000. This is the probability, 7 in 1000. So 7 by 1000. Probability equal to 7 by 1000. Total number of group is 400. So in this problem, probability and number of groups are given. So lambda, the mean formula is mean lambda equal to np. So n is number of times is 400 into probability 7 by 1000. So cancellation, lambda equal to 2.8. Poisson distribution formula is P of x equal to x, e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So e power lambda value is 2.8 into 2.8 power x by x factorial. Straight away applying the Poisson distribution formula. Our aim is to calculate probability of just 2 deaths. So exactly 2 deaths. Okay, so probability of x equal to x formula is e power minus lambda is e power minus 2.8 into 2.8 power x by x factorial. X can be replacing by 2. So e power minus 2.8 into 2.8 whole square by 2 factorial. So e power minus 2.8 is already given, 0.06 into 2.8 whole square by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Final answer is 0.2352 is a final answer. Let us move to sum number 8. The car hiring firm has 2 cars. The demand for cars on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate with mean value is 1.5. Mean value is given. Calculate the proportion of days on which first subdivision neither car is used. Second one, some demand is refused. So we have to calculate 2 subdivisions. Once again read the problem. The car hiring firm has 2 cars. Number of cars can be taken as 2. Number of cars is 2. The demand of the cars on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate. We are applying the Poisson distribution formula with mean values straight away given 1.5. So n is given, number of cars are given, and the lambda value is already given. So 1.5. So in this problem, straight away take mean value is 1.5. So lambda is already given, straight away given. So lambda equal to 1.5. So the Poisson distribution formula, P of x equal to x, e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. First subdivision question. probability of neither car is used. Neither car is used means no cars is used. No car is used. So neither means no. So P of x equal to x, e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. So P of x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, e power minus 1.5, 1.5 power 0 by 0 factorial. So e power minus 1.5 into anything by 0 is equal to 1. So 0 factorial is 1. So e power minus 1.5 is 0.2231. The second subdivision, some demand is refused. Some demand is refused means we have to refuse 2 cars. So we have to concentrate more than 2 cars. So not to take exactly 2 cars, more than. Some demand is refused. So in this problem, probability of x is greater than 2. So we have to select more than 2. So x is greater than 2. The formula is probability of x is greater than 2 is 1 minus probability of x is less than or equal to 2 is a property. Applying the property, 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2 means we have to include 0, 1 and 2. So suppose we have to take 0, e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Suppose we have to take 1, e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Suppose we have to take 2 means e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. So 1 minus e power minus lambda, anything by 0 is equal to 1, 0 factorial is 1, e power minus lambda, lambda into e power minus lambda, e power minus lambda, lambda square into 2 factorial is 2 into 1, so 2. So 1 minus e power minus lambda is common for all the terms. So 1 plus lambda square by 2. So 1 minus e power lambda value is minus 1.5 into 1 plus lambda is 1.5, lambda square is 1.5 whole square by 2. The final answer is 1 minus e power minus 1.5 is 0.2231. It's already calculated in the first subdivision question. So 0.2231 into adding all the values 3.625. So 1 minus multiplying these two values, subtracting by 1, final answer is 0.1912. Hence the problem.